Guys, and welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to share with you tips so that you can see the WhatsApp notifications on the ASUS ZenFone 10. So at the start, always check that you have deactivated the DND mode. How to do it? Open the top menu, then slide to the right, and check that you have this button activated. If you don't see this button, just click on the pen icon and you should find it in the bottom section. Little bit obvious, I know, but sometimes you can just miss it, so check it. Okay, the next step, hold the finger on the WhatsApp icon and choose App Info. Then go to notifications and remember to turn it on. And now we can go to the additional settings. Make sure that you have activated the high priority notifications here and here. Then we can go back and now remember to turn on all of these switchers. Okay, now it's time to go to the permissions. As you can see, I have notifications in the allowed, but if you don't have, just activate it in this section. Now tap on the mobile data and Wi-Fi. Remember to turn on the background data and restricted data usage and enable the Wi-Fi and mobile connection. After that, if you still don't see your notifications, go to the storage and cache, tap on the clear storage and tap on the delete. In the next step, you can also try to reset your network settings, so go to the settings, swipe down to the system and choose the reset options. Now tap on the Wi-Fi, mobile and Bluetooth, tap on the reset button, configure pattern and tap on the reset button again. And in the last step, try to update your system. So go to the system in the settings, system update. And if you have any updates, just download it and install. And that's it. Thanks for watching, leave us a like or a comment and goodbye.